Hello everyone, it's your girl Lola, and I just wanted to change this storage bin I'm going to use for my sunglasses and accessories and jewelry. I'm going to turn it into a luxurious storage bin. Well, it's going to look like a little drawer. So I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to use these following materials, and I'm going to go step by step because everybody wants to see every time I create something, a DIY project. They say, Lola, we want to see it step by step. So I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to use and the process of doing it. Remember, this how it look at the beginning. Bye. Next, first step I will be doing is using the gold chrome tape I got purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And I'm going to trim off all the white edging of the bin. See? And I'm going to cut, and I'm going to show you step by step how it works. I'm sorry, y'all, I got face mask on. I don't like the metallic tape, so I put glitter on the edges and trimmed it in diamond. I hot glued the paper on the drawer, and I used the glue. Let me show y'all what glue I use. I used this glue, E600 glue, to put the diamonds on, and I used just the glitter that my mother bought me from Walmart, your local Walmart. Just glitter on the edges, so I gotta let the edges dry. So it probably will take 24 hours for the edges to dry. And I put a little bit of the glitter glue on the handles, so that could be colorized. But I'm going to take this, I'm going to spray paint it, so I'm going to show you when I spray paint the trimming of it. But it's coming together. What y'all think? I think it's coming together. This gel is not going to stay like this. It's going to blend into the plastic. So I will be back with the next step. Alright, bye-bye. Okay, y'all, I finished taking all the metallic tape off, and I'm going to get my mother to spray paint it gold. I'm going to show y'all at the end of the video what gold spray paint I use to spray paint the storage drawer, not the drawers, but the holder. And I'm going to be back after she spray painted, and everything should be finished by then. Alright, bye. Ta-da! I hope you like it. It came out better than I thought. The trimming is gold. I don't know in the camera it looks like it's not, but it's gold. And I used my mother spray painted for me, and she used this metallic spray paint for me. She bought it. And she used it for, she sprayed it outside for me. I let it dry overnight. See, she did the trimming. And you could kind of see with the lighting like this, that it's gold. The drawers, I told you I did with the color. I did this with the gold paper. The diamonds, I put the glue 6000, E6000 glue. With the knobs on here, y'all will not guess what I used. I'm not gonna guess. Red little baby light bulbs for the Christmas tree for Christmas time. I glued them with E6000 glue, and then I spray painted it with the same spray paint. This was a hard job, y'all. This took like 3 days to do. For the edging on the drawer, I wanted to give a different design. I use this glitter, and it takes 24 hours to dry. And that's the only thing about these projects. Like, you have to let things dry and set. So I did that. I put that all on there. And I think it came out really good. This is going in my closet. So I didn't worry about the size or anything like that. So I think I did a good job. What y'all think? I think I did a tremendous job. See? So I didn't do inside or anything like that. And so it still will give you a great illusion. You know that it's an expensive drawer, you know, custom made. And I like it. What y'all think? I think I did good. I've got to do the bigger one. I have a bigger one in my closet. So if y'all really like this, leave a comment down below. Thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this project. Did you like how the drawer come out? I think it came out very nice. And I'm going to do other projects. You know, this channel is everything. DIY, dolls, everything. So leave a comment below, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you. It's your girl Lola, and I will be back with another video. I love it. Bye.